What are you doing here?
It's Tuesday and Wine with Friends. Wait, who do we have here?
Vivenka, this is Judith and Hope. Guys, Vivenka.
Oh. Oh. You're so pretty. Judith, you're so healthy. Oh, sweetheart. It's okay. I have to go, girls, okay? I'm meeting up with friends.
Okay, I'll see you.
One, my dear. I'll catch you later, okay? Excusez-moi, you enjoy your food.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Oh my God, Hope Villanueva. What are you doing here?
Hi. I thought you were sleeping kaya hindi na ako nag-hi kanina. Baka maistorbo kita.
No, it's okay. Actually, naghanap ako ng kachika. Itong si girl, di mo makausap ka ng halaman dito. Matagal na kayo ni Paul?
What are you talking about?
Aren't you guys going out?
Naku, hindi. We're just friends. Really good friends.
Really good friends? Yet, hindi ako nabanggit ni Paul. Classic Paul. Ba't parang solo flight ka ata ngayon?
Well, wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang mag-unwind, mag-relax. The past few months have been very toxic, kaya sabi ko, time out muna. Parang I need time for myself. I need change. Pakiramdam ko kailangan ko ng bago sa buhay ko. Kahit kaunting spunk.
Spunk? Are you talking about me, dear? Wait, what do you wanna do now?
Well, bala ko sana mag-shopping. Pero wala pa akong nahanap na merong ibang style eh. Gusto ko kasing i-update yung wardrobe ko.
Okay. So that's what you wanna do. Okay, so it's like this. Leave it to be.